Good morning, mi gente. It is Easter Sunday, and it's my husband's first day of work at the Cat's Meow, world famous karaoke bar in New Orleans. So today is my first day also doing actual Uber deliveries, so we're just going to start my morning. I'm going to start by putting some pumpkin spice in my coffee because I am a basic white Becky. Actually, no, this is ground cinnamon, sorry. We're going to just poner un poquito de eso. We're going to get some pumpkin spice. Throw that in there. You can actually see what I'm doing because it's like super dark. Oh, look, see? How cute. Then we're going to grab the sugar because we're severely ghetto up in this place. And that's just how we roll. So we take this big old spoon. Just gonna take some spoonfuls of sugar. And I'm gonna throw that in there. Oh, just do one more. Alright, I'm gonna put the spoon back in there. Just gonna tie this off. Then we're gonna just take our coffee. Peaches, coffee. I love you. So now we're gonna go right in here, and I just gotta make sure my screen's, I have a screensaver, but we're just gonna do that. We're gonna do that. Right. I'm gonna mix a coffee with a chopstick. Yes. Buen provecho. What's up, everybody? This video is scheduled for one look. Introducing to you today your host for Wrestling with Beauty, the broke beauty guru, the ring queen, Lexa Rose. Okay, so if y'all haven't noticed by the background, there's no more wall of pops. It's a bathroom. So we've made the move we finally made it to Louisiana. So I'm gonna be doing my very first makeup look here in my bathroom, our bathroom. If you've seen my moving vlog, you'll see the little tour and stuff. We got this as our new background. This is our new background now. Alright, so we're gonna just do a quick get ready for me. It's Easter Sunday, so we're gonna do a cute little Easter look. Alright, it is Trigger's first day at the Cat's Meow. It's a world famous hold on, because I'm not trying to let no nips slip. Deodorize. It's a very world famous karaoke bar, and of course our friend got him the job. So that said, let's get started. We're going to start by prepping our face, and of course we're going to go in with our Pharmacy Feeling Good hyaluronic acid, and we're just gonna 2 pumps, and we're gonna put that all over the face. Yo, I'm telling you right now, that Jack Black freaking Lyrical Lemonade Peaches song, I haven't been obsessed with a song about peaches since Presidents of the United States of America. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. Look out!
What the hell is even that?
I'm okay. Ooh. So, we're gonna just grab our materials. I know you're probably like, ¿Adónde está pendeja? I'm right here. I'm not doing a full face, just my normal work look. conceal. Don't feel, don't let it show. But now they know. Your mom's a hoe, mom's a hoe. Don't give a damn anymore. And we're just gonna plot that. We'll put that right there because, you know, we want to brighten up this face. We're gonna take a little bit of this. Of course. We're gonna do that. I didn't even wet a beauty blender. What is wrong with me? Don't worry, folks. We still have one more BoxyCharm. I don't know how this one happened, but I'll explain in the next video. I haven't broken out this palette in a while, so we're gonna use it because, you know what? There's a lot of pretty colors in here. Peaches, 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 peaches. I love you. Please don't get me started. I don't know why I'm obsessed with that song. I just am. See, we're just covering up the dark circles. Nothing too crazy. Because I have severe dark circles and I'm starting to get rosacea. Thanks, Mom. It's Easter Sunday. Zombie Jesus has risen. We're just gonna wing it. We're gonna wing it. Caca, caca. Dookie, dookie, dookie. Okay, so I'm kind of part blind, so if you see me going towards this way, it's because there's a mirror right here. Miss Girl is allergic to lash glue. I might have to invest in some, we'll reinvest in some Glamnetic, but so Trigger starts his first day at the Cat's Meow. It's obviously a karaoke bar, and they're having like this big Easter shindig that's going down today. There's also the Easter Day Parade and the Gay Easter Day Parade. We're all inclusive in this Jedi Temple, so I mean, I don't know why they can't share, but I get it. You know what? I'm spoiled too. I want my own parade. Shit. I had me a ticker tape parade, just like a Yankee winning the World Series.
Period.
But yeah, so the streets are going to be packed-ish. I mean, hopefully by the time we get there, they're not too bad.
Let me see if this one is the back picture. You just ate.
Okay. Well, go let Grandpa clean. This is a new addition to our family. He was not planned. Like, literally was not planned.
Do you have to use the bathroom?
Does he gotta go poopies?
Yeah.
Maybe gotta go cacas? See, as usual, my husband always accompanies me in my makeup tutorials. So don't ever be surprised if you don't see him, huh?
No bathroom. Jump.
You got it. Good boy. I wish I recorded that. Alright, so what I did was I used the Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. I'm getting really tired of seeing my forehead looking like this, so we're just gonna, you know, fill it. Bitch. Because I use mostly, like, when it's just kind of like a work look, I just use mostly, like, concealers and stuff like that. I don't like wasting my good, like, BB creams. I mean, I know it's Easter, but, like...
What the hell is even that?
For me, it's, you know, Ostara. We celebrate fertility, life, renewal. I love you. Oh, peaches, 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 peaches. Yep, yeah, I heard that correctly. I don't even know why I'm doing my forehead. I'm gonna do my forehead. Of course, we're using the Alley Oop. Stack the Odds in Sunkissed. So I would really be using this. This is from BoxyCharm, mind y'all. Gotta get that button on the nose. Button, who's got the button? Can you tell I love being super blushy? No? Now you know. Now we're gonna go in with our OPV Beauty setting powder and we're gonna set our face. Alright. We're gonna use our Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks blush palette. We're just gonna go with these two colors. This is Candy Apple and Mai Tai. Yep. Say hi to Prince Pablo Escobar. And just like his mom, he likes to be a little parakeet. Little parakeet. I send him away, and what does he do? He just comes right the F back. And now he's sitting on my feet. Alright, so now we're going to go into our Ofra Face It Midi palette. Alarm went off. So, a couple of things while we've been out here. Uber's been pretty good. The French Quarter is packed as fuck. It's like driving into Manhattan. No joke. Everybody's been really kind so far. I mean, we've seen some crazy shit though. Like, we see some dude who was probably high off drugs in the middle of a freaking highway, because there's a highway right next to us. And homie didn't give two flying fucks in the shit. He was like, I'm going to walk in the middle of all that right now. We're like, alright, go on with your bad self. His poor girlfriend, spouse, or whoever she was at her wit's end, trying to like talk homie down. Which kind of sucks, but you know, what are you gonna do? So now we're gonna go right into our, I got this from King Beauty, but it says Febble, Romantic Purple. And we're gonna just do, we're gonna go right into, is that called blush? Oh, yeah, it's called blush. We're gonna go in with blush. And this is gonna be just a soft little Easter look. We're not trying to go crazy. We're not going full glam. You never go full glam when you have work. Unless you're going out. That's when you waste your full glam. I mean, we'll stop wasting full glam, but you know, that's when you know. Just gonna go right into this. Nothing too wild. These are kitten on my toes. We're gonna go right into shell, but we're gonna go in with a small brush. We're gonna go with this brush. We're gonna go right into shell and pop that. Ooh. I mean, we're gonna like smoke out the under eye, but you know, I want to catch that full out before it gets worse. And if y'all don't find Zombie Jesus funny, please do not follow me, because that is my only ongoing gag joke. I really wish I played with this palette more often. You see? I know this is going to be a pain in the ass to wash off my face, but oh my god. Do I look cute? Let me do black liner. We're going to go right into Tide, because I'm tired. Me gusta. Alright, so now that we got that, we're just going to smoke out the last one. Shop small businesses. This is the lace with cherry mirror. Boy, you better watch your mouth. I'm gonna go right into that blush color. Smudge this out. I look cute. Me gusta. King Beauty. Okay, they got a lot of nice palettes. I'm not even gonna lie, but this one, I really fell asleep on this one. Alright, so now we get in. We're hitting the home stretch. Hitting the home stretch. We're gonna use our Face It Midi palette. Go right in there. Please don't murder me. I know. But y'all can't deny the quality. Sorry. Not sorry. This is my Slay All Day setting spray that I put in my Wicked Artistry Violacious Miss Me setting spray bottle. Because I just like the bottle. How dare you turn your back on us? I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. Alright, so now last but not least, we are going to put on mascara. Okay, so I'm pretty sure y'all know the little life hack with the mascara brush, right? You know, get mascara on your face, you let it dry a little bit, and then you just take the spoolie, and then now just to do something with this hair and my lips. We're gonna go in with our bodyography lip pencil and timber. Dose of colors in Flirty. This is Half Cake in Bordeaux. Right. And then, okay, so of course Buka's mad.
That's your child.
Okay, so as you can
We
tell,
didn't take him in. You gave him to us.
yeah, you made him.
And you mad.
But anyways, this is the final look for Easter. Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Zombie Jesus Day for those that celebrate. Hosanna in the highest. My altar server days. So I'm just going to put on something cute. Not much cute to wear because I'm going to be sweating my butt off doing Uber orders. But, of course, you know, I just got to put something on. So I'm going to do that real quick. And then we'll close out the video. Okay, so this is the final Easter look. You know, this is my little go-to hairstyle. And you just put it all up and hope for the best. Because, you know, it's a lot of hair. I gotta get it cut and layered and stuff like that, but it's like too hot. And this is like curl-friendly weather. So, I know you're probably like, Mijita, your bra. But you know what? It is what it is, okay? And you're probably like, there's a little to actually be doing Uber orders. It's Easter Sunday, okay? I'm trying to look nice. Okay, thank you. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, notifications, whatever's. New videos every Monday, 10 a.m. And bonus videos if I even feel like it. But anyways, don't forget to click the bell notification. New videos every Monday. My very first book, The Pure Blood Eternal, is available on Amazon Books. Don't forget to also check out my Wattpad for my other book, The Last Venetian Warrior. And without further ado, I am your host for Wrestling with Beauty. I am your host, the Broke Beauty Guru, the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, the royalty of wrestling, saying, keep it Gucci Pucci, bitches.